Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 21st of October, 2021. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum was really on board today to create some new all-time highs, and it was very, very close. I'm sure some exchanges did print that, but otherwise, most of them, and I'm looking at a composite value from various exchanges from CryptoWatch. It's just shy of those all-time highs. So the all-time high for Ethereum is at 4,373. The high that was reached today was 4,370.3. So it's just a few dollars below that all-time high. Why did it get halted here? Who knows? It's probably a scenario where you see a lot of shake. This is a typical shakeout scenario where you start to position a lot of sell orders at the top of a new breakout zone, which will get some early short sellers in, and then you also shake out some of the people who are buying near that high in anticipation of the breakout. That's ultimately one of the things that we saw happen with Bitcoin. You saw if you were looking at the Binance.us data feed, it went from 65K all the way down to 8K in a mini flash crash. I'm sure that will be looked at pretty heavily by the regulators as a reason to not trust cryptocurrency exchanges. But that's nothing new for us in this space. But Ethereum, the pullback here is not one that should be unexpected. There's a pretty massive gap in between where the current body of the candlestick is and the Tenkan Sen. And gaps don't like to exist very long in between those two levels. So a retest back down to 3,900 or 4K even, very much in the cards, very much a normal thing to see happen. One of the positive things that we should actually look forward to is if we want to see this market expand, price should come down to a level where the RSI is going to be tested around that 50 or 40 zone. We've shifted the RS relative strength index into bull market conditions. So 50 and 40 are the new oversold levels. If you see Ethereum trading anywhere between the 3,800 to the 3,600 value area, that is an area of support, especially if the RSI is between 50 and 40. The composite index has a positive reading higher here. There's really nothing off the wall here, off the charts that would yield some danger signs. But the optics bands being near the extremes, that is something that is going to weigh on higher prices. Unfortunately, this attempt to do new all-time highs occurred as the optics bands have been printing higher and higher and getting close to the extremes. One thing that is here that I don't like at all is that there's this pretty extensive regular bearish divergence in the optics bands and the price chart. You've got the series of these higher highs on Ethereum's candlestick chart, but then you've got these lower highs in the optics bands. Is that a sign of some impending major sell-off? It could be. If you look at the weekly chart, the weekly chart says no. The weekly chart says it could keep going up. So interestingly, there was a 3 white soldiers pattern on the candlesticks there, so that's very bullish. And everything on here is very bullish on the weekly chart. Price is above the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen. It's above the cloud. Future span A is above future span B. And the lagging span, as long as it closes above 4150 on the weekly chart, it will be an open space. And then from there, it's just price discovery mode and boom, 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 higher, higher, higher. That's the anticipated action. So that's what we'll look at. That does it for me on Ethereum. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.